Aloha, and this is day 2 of me working and living on this farm. And I'm taking my dogs for a walk right now. You can see my doggies. And it is sunset, so the mosquitoes are starting to come out, but they're not too bad. I get bit by like only 1 instead of 10 because they like me. So anyway. So I just wanted to show you around a little bit as we walk here. So over here is the greenhouse where I was working most of the day today. And so let's kind of like walk over here so you can see. So they have so many plants, it's like unbelievable. Come on, Susie. So it's basically a nursery. They sell these plants as well as edible, fruits and vegetables and stuff. So the things I worked on today were repotting rosemary plants from small, like 4-inch pots to like half-gallon size, I think it was, and some fig trees, and what else, papaya. And so if you're familiar with plants, you might recognize some of these here. So yeah, all of this is just potted plants. Oh look, there's a pineapple. Woo. So that's one of the other projects that we're going to be working on. So we have a whole bunch of pineapple tops that he got somewhere, I forget where he said, and we are gonna plant them. Actually, I think he did do that while I was doing the repotting, so I don't know. A lot goes on here. So today was good. Doggies did a lot of barking again. It's just how they are. And let's see, I actually woke up before the alarm today, which was nice to wake up like refreshed. So I think because I was looking forward to doing stuff. And I set up my solar panels, so let's walk back here so I can show you. I set up my solar panels and got them hooked up, and so when I'm not running the AC, I can use them. They're not powerful enough to run AC, unfortunately. And what else? Oh, I did my laundry, which was a major feat for me. So I wanted to line dry it, and partway through the day started getting cloudy and looked like rain. So then that's the radio in the background. And so I had to take it all down, put it in the dryer for a little bit because it was like still damp. So I still got to put my laundry away. And I made a salad. I cut up a whole bunch of veggies and made salad fixings for everyone. And it was kind of hot at that time, so sorry, there's a bug flying around here. So I just kind of ate a light salad, and I'm not even like hungry for dinner. I'm just gonna have like some peanut butter and shredded coconut, so I have some protein. And I'm gonna take a shower and refresh myself before I eat, and that's basically it for my day today. So yeah, doing the solar panels. Oh, I want to show you that. So over here, I walk around the dog. So here's the solar panels. So they let me use this cart to place them on, so they're not on the ground, and that way I can easily move them around since it's on wheels. And so you can see I have 2 big ones and 2 small ones, and got this really long cord that plugs in to here. So Okay, so, oh, I forgot to talk about comments. So I did read some comments earlier today. So again, thank you for those of you that commented, and I'm trying to think if there's any questions. I don't remember any questions standing out. I'm sorry if there were. I'll just have to get that on the next video if there were any. But I think because some people are coming in on this like not from the beginning of my journey. So I was thinking my journey from Arizona to Florida. So I was thinking of making a separate playlist of that so you can easily just play it from the beginning, because otherwise I have like this playlist called new videos, which I've been adding them to, but now there's like probably 50 videos in there. So if you go to the new videos playlist, it should be in order, I think, chronologically, or there's an option where you can click on it to sort it by oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Oh, I remember my one friend said something about not being able to watch the video without it buffering because her internet was slow. Well, she didn't have enough data or something, so so that wasn't really a question. She was just explaining why she hasn't like been able to watch more videos. But anyway, the technology tutor in me wants to like analyze that and figure out how she can get it to play better. I'm thinking if she's on Wi-Fi, to take it off of Wi-Fi and just use the phone's data plan instead. Well, depending on how good her signal is at her house. So, because I know for me here, it's better for me just to use my phone's data rather than Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi just keeps on going in and out, in and out. So, anyway. So, I'm going to go, and mahalo for watching, and please check out all the info I have in the description. I'm not going to mention it all. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Then you'll be notified automatically when I put out a new video, which I plan to do one every day for the first 2 weeks, if I can. I almost didn't do one today because I was like really tired, and I was like, okay, I just need to like snap out of this and get it done. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, and may you be blessed and not stressed. Aloha.